Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my January favorites. I'm actually trying to quickly do this video because Julio is going to be home very soon and we are going to be going on a date night. And if you guys hear any noise, like always, it's just the kids, they're playing. So let's get into it. I don't have too many products and I don't want this video to be ridiculously long like they normally are. So if you guys want to see the products that I loved in January, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to start off with skincare and then I'll go into the beauty products. So I have 4 skincare products. I'm just grabbing them really quickly. So first I want to talk about this cleanser. This is the Valentina's Naturals Soothing Milk Cleanser with coconut and oatmeal, or with coconut oatmeal. And I got this from TJ Maxx for $5.99. This is what it looks like. It is a glass bottle and it comes with a pump. You guys, if you have sensitive skin, this is so good. So this is just like a really smooth, soothing, calming type of cleanser. It's a very just basic cleanser. This is not something that I use when I want to remove my makeup. When I want to deep clean my face, this is just something that I like to use in the morning time or on nights that I did not wear makeup. So it just kind of refreshes my skin when my skin freaks out. Like, it's really good. I'm obsessed with this packaging. It's beautiful. And for $5.99, like, I would think this is a high-end brand because it's like so luxurious. The fact that it comes with a pump, it's such a plus. Like, it's just so convenient. You get 4 ounces, which is really good. And I'm assuming they have other stuff because this just says step 1 cleanse right here on the side. So maybe they have like 2 or 3 other steps. I don't know. But next time I go to TJ Maxx, I'm going to look for more because I really have been super obsessed. I'm already like, I don't know, maybe halfway. And I really was obsessed with this in January. So loved this. This next product is from L'Oreal. This is the Pure Clay Cleanser. This is what this one looks like. I did discover this towards the end of January, but I freaking love this. This exfoliates so well, and they're not like rough little beads in there. It's just really nice. My face feels super clean afterwards. Sometimes it does feel a little bit on the drier side, but it's not a big deal because I'm going to moisturize anyways. But I've been really loving it. I picked mine up for like $6.99. It was on sale at Shopko. And I've just been really loving it. If you are looking for a new exfoliator, I would recommend this. I was actually really nervous to try an exfoliator that said clay to mousse because that's what this one says. I was a little worried, like, what is clay to mousse? But you just basically put a little bit on your hand. You wet it with water and like rub it, and then you put it on your hands. It's amazing. I've been loving it. The next skincare product is from Guerriero. This is the Guerriero Skin Active Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. So this one is specifically for dry skin. I picked this up because I finished my Guerriero just the moisturizer cream I picked up in Mexico that I was like ridiculously obsessed with, and I wanted to give this a try. I've been using it a ton. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. A little bit goes a long way. And a lot of people say this is like the Clinique Moisture Surge. I don't know. I've never tried it. But I do like this. I don't like love it, but I couldn't stop using it in January, so I still wanted to share it. I actually put it on today. I normally put it on during the day. I put a little bit all over my face, and then it actually sinks into my skin very quickly. So sometimes it's almost like my face is still dry, but it doesn't feel dry. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, it just kind of absorbs into my skin, and my skin is like super like tight almost. Like, I don't know, it's like a good thing, but sometimes when I do feel still a little bit dry, I go in with this next product, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But this is nice. It was like $6.95 or something like that from Walmart. And I have been enjoying it. I do think that even if you don't have dry skin, if you have like normal or oily, you can get away with using this. It's soothing. It smells really nice, like roses. It smells really good. And it's just fresh. When my skin is also freaking out, I like to use this because it really calms my skin. And I love how it really does sink into my skin. I normally do just like to use this during the day though, because I like to use a thicker cream at nighttime. and I've just been really enjoying this. So that this next product that I've been using in combination with the Guerriero one when I'm still feeling a little bit dry is this Body Prescriptions So Clean Age Defense Liquid Lotion plus Green Tea. I think I paid $3.99 at TJ Maxx, and this is just like super freaking cool, you guys. It says you're supposed to spray like 5 pumps into a cotton ball and then put it on, and it's supposed to be like your moisturizer, but this like shoots out, like no joke. I normally just spray like 2 or 3 pumps on my hand, or I literally put it on my face like super far away. I don't really care that it sprays like insane. Like it feels like something's stabbing you almost, but it's really cool. It leaves my skin really fresh. The fact that it has green tea, it's really good for sensitive skin. I've been enjoying it. This one does say that it's for normal to combination skin, but I have dry sensitive skin and it's been working really great. And I've never tried anything that's a liquid lotion before, so I was pretty obsessed with it. I'm still really obsessed with it. Let's move on to the makeup. I don't have a ton, but I have some stuff to share. So I have this Dirty Beauty sponge, you guys. I use this for the first time in my full face of first impressions. If you guys haven't watched it, I will link it down below for you guys, but this is the black elf like beauty sponge. It's the glittery one, and I am so obsessed with this. It's softer than all my other sponges that I currently have. Even my L'Oreal one, which you guys know is my holy grail. Like, I can't stop using this. It's so good. I used it to do my makeup today. That's why it's dirty. It's been amazing. The glitter has not like disappeared. It's so easy to clean. I wish e.l.f. would come out with this individually because it is sold in a 2-pack with a silicone sponge, but if you guys haven't tried it, go to the e.l.f. website because I believe it's only exclusively online, and pick it up. It's like so freaking good. It's just so soft and I'm obsessed. Like, I did my makeup today with it, so yeah. Next product, I also tried this out in my full face of first impressions and I've been really loving it. This is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I do have it on my brows today. This is not overly waxy. It's like the perfect pigment. It leaves my brows looking like natural. I mean, I know this is not natural, but it's like more natural, if that makes sense. I don't know. Yes, they're filled in, but they're like on the natural side. I love the color. I have the color, what is it? Dark brown. It's like $3.99. It's so affordable and I've been really enjoying it, you guys. It's got the teardrop shape, which is really cool. The fact that it's actually retractable is awesome. And you do get a spoolie, so I've been really loving that. The next product, I was super obsessed with this L'Oreal primer. This is the Infallible Glow Lock, and I do have a review on this. So obviously, spoiler alert, I'm so obsessed with this. It's so freaking good, you guys. It leaves my skin so illuminated, and it's this really beautiful, like, let me just put a little bit on my hand. It's like a beautiful peachy skin tone color. It's just, it's so pretty. You probably can't really see, but it's just a lit from within type of glow. It's beautiful. I love it. It fills in my pores. My makeup stays on for a really good amount of time, and it's affordable. It's drugstore, so I've been loving that primer. And I have 2 more products. This next one, you guys, oh my god, I am ridiculously obsessed with this. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. I used this in that full face of first impressions as well. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I love it. It smells so good. If you love coconuts, you're gonna love this. This literally reminds me of MAC Fix Plus because it literally takes away the cake face instantly. It hydrates my face so freaking well, you guys, and it's so affordable. Like, it's e.l.f. The packaging is adorable. I'm obsessed with it. Like, if you pick up anything that I'm talking about in this video, I feel like you need to buy this. It's so freaking good. I just can't. And you do get 2.7 fluid ounces. I believe this was either $6 or $8, but regardless, you're getting a lot of product and it's affordable. I mean, under 10 bucks, that's freaking good for a drugstore facial spray. And it's not a setting spray, by the way, but it's so good. Last product, you guys. I'm so late to the game on this, but I picked this up from Poshmark, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit with Nicole Guerriero. You guys, I love Nicole Guerriero so freaking much, and I was so upset when I didn't get this the first time it launched. And then I believe for Black Friday or something like that, Cyber Monday, they released a couple on the ABH website, and by the time I found out, it was already sold out. Mine obviously was used. This one actually was shattered, and it did say that in the description, and I was okay with that. I got a good deal on it. Most people were trying to sell theirs for like $70 to $100 or more dollars, and I was like, no, I can't pay that. So I paid way less than that, and I'm obsessed. I cleaned this up, I sanitized it. My favorite color in here is actually Glow Getter, which is this one, and today I actually mixed Glow Getter and Forever Young, which is this one down here. That's what I'm wearing today, you guys. Like, this is the most intense, beautiful, wet looking highlighter I've ever used. I will do a quick finger swatch. They are so pretty, you guys. They're beautiful. I don't have to wet these, and there's such a great variety of shades in here. If you guys were sad and upset like I was that you couldn't get this, check out Poshmark. I'm obsessed with this. I'm so happy I was able to get it, and I really am crossing my fingers that they eventually bring it back and make it permanent, because I would love to buy another one and have a backup, because I can see myself using this all the time. Like, I am just obsessed with this highlighter palette. It's beautiful, it's stunning, and I love it. And that's it. I'm all done, you guys. So those were all the products that I was loving in the month of January. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like monthly favorites videos, so I can keep on filming them for you. I actually asked you guys on IG stories if you still wanted to see these videos, because I wasn't sure if you guys still were enjoying them, and majority of you said yes. So that's why I'm filming it, and I'm going to continue to film it as long as you guys want me to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below what some of your January favorites were, and I'm so sorry that I filmed it so late. I know it's already the 10th of February, so I'm so sorry. Next month I will do my best to get it up the first week. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so very much. Thank you to all of you who have been supporting me. Hello to all my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss out on my videos. Hit the notification bell. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!